Hey, thanks for tuning in. Today's episode, I want to show you what I bought from the Wrap company. And I actually totally forgot about it. This package is 4 months old at this point. So let's get into it. I want to let you know that 96% of you who are watching my videos aren't subscribers. So take a second, click the subscribe button and help me grow. And let's go into this box from the Wrap company. I'm gonna open it up with my razor blade and let's get into it. Now, I ordered from them because they carry a lot of the products I use. They don't carry everything that I like to use. However, just so you know, this is not a sponsored video. And I almost forgot what I ordered. I don't know if you guys ever do that before. Ordered some stuff that you needed but forgot about or didn't have time to open it. So I do remember a couple things I ordered. One of these things is the TRC's Wrap Tuck ceramic coating applicator kit. It's basically 2 separate foam bricks that have slots in them, so you can wrap microfiber, very thin suede of microfiber cloth to it, so you can apply your ceramic coating. This is a nice size compared to some of that off-market type stuff to apply ceramic. I typically use this size or the smaller bricks for like longer lasting coatings versus some coatings that don't last as long and they're just a little bit easier to apply. This I'm very much more specific with my longer lasting coatings. Oh, and I love these bottles. Actually, I love this style bottle. Now this is the 𝐏𝐾 sprayer 360. This is the larger volume. I already have the minis that I keep for a lot of my interior items or interior solutions like P&S Express. And having that 360 ability is a lot better than other sprayers that are out there. Now that 360 ability has to do with this weighted ball and the very flexible hose or lead that goes into the sprayer. So as you go around and you might have to invert your bottle to get maybe to a certain spot, you're still going to be able to get into your solution. And in terms of the bottle, I like the way the bottle feels. It looks good on a shelf. The base on the Pro is much wider and more, for lack of a better term, square. It doesn't have rounded ends, so it sits on a shelf much better, or on a cart or on the floor. It's not likely to tip over like a bottle that is more narrow that would tip over, especially when you have the head on it. Okay, and it does have a card where you can put down, it's red on this side, it's green on the other side. And I never really use these because, not that I change solutions once I put one in, I typically, just for a cleaner look, I'll put a little piece of painter's tape on here and mark what it is. Like it could be P&S Express, it could be Adam's Wheel and Tire Cleaner, whatever it is, I'll stick it on the bottom just to clean it up, the look on my shelf. So they were on sale because I had a discount code, I don't remember, I think it was for Black Friday, it's been that long. And I'm just getting around to opening it now. So I bought 6 of these. And the reason I bought 6 of these, not because I have 6 different chemicals I want to use, it's just that I like to buy a little bit more than I need, especially when I really like the product. And I might use this around the house. But I'm going to go through a whole nother video why I like these bottles better than like Zepp bottles that you can get at Home Depot, things like that. So I bought 6 of those. And what else did I buy? Looks like they gave me... Oh, that's just the packing list. No, we'll go this last. We'll do this very last. It's not just a packing list. They put something else in there that I haven't seen before. I don't see any stickers. Oh yeah. Okay. So this, forgive the noise. And the TRC does a really good job packing liquids. It comes in, wrapped in bubble wrap, and in this case, it has a plastic Ziploc type bag. Let's open it up. I'll show you what I got. And this is part of a 3-part system for cleaning interiors. And this is the P&S Terminator for the enzyme. What is it called? Enzyme spot and stain. Now I already have carpet bomber, and I already have the finisher. This is the 3rd piece of the puzzle I needed for the times when I have to worry about things that require this type of enzyme spot and stain remover, for things that are more organic, like maybe milk, things like that, which I haven't really had to do very often, but I wanted to make sure I had this on hand. I've actually never used it before, but I'm going to believe in the P&S 3-part system here and have this in my arsenal when I do need it. And what is this? Oh yeah, this is the Uro-Fiber microfiber pad that I use for my 3D, what I use in conjunction with my 3D1 solution for like a 1-step polish when I work on some cars. And lastly, let's not keep this video very long. What did they send me? I don't see stickers in here. I have, or what did they give me? Oh, they did give me a sticker. I have a Rag Company sticker. That's a new one. I've never got that from the Rag Company before. And we got a little FAQ. Oh, that's interesting. About microfiber towels before and after use. I don't know, have you guys ever gotten that before? And on the back, care instructions. Now, I already care for my microfiber towels with P&S's Rags to Riches, which works phenomenally well. And lastly, I don't know what this is, besides the packing list. Oh, well, that's fun. That's different. I've never got something like this before. I am going to assume, since it's not marked, this is a Rag Company. It looks like, based on the size, it's a sunglass like lens cleaner. Well, that's cool. Thanks Rag Company. I like that. Got a Rag Company eyeglass cleaner and a sticker, which, right, we can always use another sticker on our toolboxes or your laptop covers, things like that. So thanks to Rag Company for that. I did not expect that. I know that this particular purchase was probably around $150 or exceeded $150 to get the free shipping. Everything seems to be in order. I've got my 6 𝐏𝐾 sprayers, which I'm very happy about. So just a really quick video on what I buy that you might want to buy. Nothing of this is sponsored, but if you like this video, be sure to click subscribe to really help me grow my channel. I appreciate you, and I guess I'll just see you on the next video.